What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanab. Today I have another video for you guys. This time it is an ICO review. It is for Xinfin. Quick disclaimer, it is a sponsored review. It is not a promotion, it is a review. They do not pay me to endorse it, they pay me to review it and give you my honest opinion and what I think of it. So what is Xinfin? Xinfin is an organization that's going after the global traded finance industry. They want to solve all the inefficiencies that might affect someone, whether it's an individual, community, governments, big time corporations, or whatever it is. Their mission is to solve the inefficiencies that lie in the global trade industry. Let me show you guys the video so you guys can understand what they do or what they're about.
What is Xinfin? Xinfin stands for Exchange Infinite. It is the next generation of the global computer network, connecting communities and enterprises around the globe using blockchain technology. The network is powered by its native fuel, called Xinfin Digital Contracts, or XDCs. Xinfin is a first-of-its-kind hybrid blockchain network. It combines the power and transparency of public blockchains with the security and speed of private networks. A permissioned consensus mechanism replaces the wasteful, energy-intensive mining, making XDC essentially mining-free. So how does hybrid work? The network has a public state that is shared by all members. Additionally, enterprises can host private subnetworks. So with Enterprise A and B, each will have the public state plus their own unique private state. The public state can be used to share basic data securely and transparently across the XDC network. The private state can be used to protect sensitive or financial data from the outside world. The XDC protocol can work as a messaging and confirmation layer for domestic or cross-border approved payments. Or the XDC token can be used as a payment and settlement layer supported by approved financial institutions. With secure and audited smart contracts and IoT integration, the XDC protocol facilitates real-world contracts and transactions. Come, join the XDC community.
Hope you guys got a good understanding of that. So their marketplace platform, it is, let me show you. There we go, Xinfin X. So this is how they're going to carry out their mission. They're launching a platform. I think they've already launched a prototype. I'm going to get into the details in a bit, but it is a decentralized blockchain platform for trade and finance. They recently partnered up with a government body in India known as ASOCHAM. I'm going to get into the details in a little bit, but let's take you guys into a little bit of detail about the marketplace platform first. So Xinfin's marketplace solution offers a credible global platform where global buyers, suppliers, and financiers can connect with each other for transparent and instantaneous peer-to-peer trade, payment, and financing activities known as TradeFinX.org. This global platform will help buyers secure capital at a globally competitive rates, give suppliers visibility on global tenders and customer base, and gives financiers real-time visibility on their investment using asset digitization and IoT integration. Through this platform, individuals, communities, and corporates and governments can execute trade and financing using digital smart contracts. Assets can be digitized, financed, and repayment can be made using underlying peer-to-peer smart contracts. All involved participants will have a secure, real visibility of the payments and the health of the asset. Participants will be evaluated using a rating system, thereby building credibility on the platform. A vast number of projects such as solar farms, hospital equipment, farm equipment, and even an aircraft can be procured using this platform. So the reason why I decided to shoot them an email was because I personally, first of all, invested in the project. Secondly, the reason why I did that was because I've experienced the problems that they're trying to solve. So if you guys didn't know, I've been working on a project of my own. It has nothing to do with crypto, it's more towards e-commerce, but for that I have to pay a manufacturer for the product to get for research and development, coming up with a prototype, the samples, blah 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 blah. And once that's out of the way, it took me a year. It took me like just a little bit over a year to do that. When it came time to placing the order, the initial manufacturers started acting shady. So if I had a platform like this to save all these inefficiencies and have the validity there, I would have saved myself a year. I went through 2 manufacturers to finally find the right one and do business with, and now after a little bit over a year, I've been able to place the order and the products are in production. If I had something like this, all those inefficiencies would have helped me launch my project a lot sooner. So that's my personal reason for backing up this project and participating in it. But I hope you guys can kind of see what type of things that they're going to be solving, especially on a global scale, which means this project could be really huge. So their industrial applications. Xinfin blockchain has been derived by combining best features of Ethereum and Quorum. If you guys didn't know Quorum, it was a decentralized network made by JP Morgan, which is kind of funny because they're infamous for talking down on crypto. The platform powered by Xdce protocol can be extended to content developers and application providers to build real-life use cases. The platform can be integrated with existing legacy systems using Xinfin APIs, thereby making it simple, economical, and convenient to use. Xinfin blockchain offers a secure digital ledger for storing data, performing settlement using Xdce protocol. Applications for Xinfin's blockchain technology are immense, and Xinfin is currently working on several in-house projects in the area of solar power, travel payments, aerospace, medical, ambulance services, water solutions, etc., to name a few. If you guys didn't know, there's actually going to be 2 tokens. The XDC protocol is going to be more geared towards utility and the actual use and exchange between all the different parties that are going to use the Xinfin platform. And then XDCE is the token that is more geared towards traders and investors like you and I that can use it on different exchanges to manage our portfolios or whatever. Also, the cool thing about this is their hybrid approach to this, having Ethereum and Quorum together, allows them to have a public and private network, which is extremely important if you're trying to get institutional investors into the platform. And also another cool thing is 25% of the tokens are going to be set aside as incentive for big time corporations to come and use the platform as a bounty. That means they're really pushing for institutional investors for the crypto market. And if you guys have seen any of my videos in the past, right now all the money in crypto is straight up cash. The next flow of money that's yet to come in the near future is going to be from the institutional investors. The fact that they're aligning themselves with that right now means they're thinking 2 steps ahead of everybody else. So I want to take you guys through their roadmap. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the 2017 part, but because we're already past that year. So Q1 2018, they want to enhance their websites, support peer-to-peer trade and finance using Xinfin Xdce, partnership with governments, trade unions, universities, and corporates for Xinfin X, enhance token liquidity through multiple exchange listing and extend fiat support. This is going to be essential, especially starting off. This is also going to be essential. And completion of 10 POCs and initiate production rollouts. So you can expect a lot of price action because they have a lot of things lined up for Q1, even Q2. So the fact that they already have a working product and they're already going after partnerships means every time they get something new, you can just expect the price to go up and up and up from an investor's perspective, which for me, I love that because I'm in it to gain long-term wealth. So the fact that they have so much lined up for the first and second quarters, you can definitely expect a lot of price action for the different kinds of news that's going to come out because of their goals for 2018. Over here, you can see their partnership with Assocham, which is actually a very big deal. I'm going to take you guys through this. First of all, let me show you what the Assocham is. It's the Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India. So here are the following roles. The chamber has addressed itself to the key areas like India as investment destination, achieving international competitiveness, promoting international trade, corporate strategies for enhancing stakeholders' value. Their second role is to develop Indian infrastructure and enhance competitiveness. Assocham is working towards creating a conducive environment for Indian business to compete globally. So the second role is where Xinfin fits perfectly. So they're trying to develop their infrastructure and make everything that much more efficient. They adopt blockchain networks for them to further do business with. They're already steps ahead of a lot of other countries. And as we all know, if you don't know, India is an emerging country. There is a lot of trade happening in India. The fact that Xinfin partnered up with a government body is a very big deal. So right here you can see Singapore-based hybrid blockchain firm Xinfin, in association with Asachem, launched its marketplace platform, Xinfin at the second global summit on P2P digital asset system summit held in Delhi, India. Fun fact, I'm actually from there. As a part of this association, Xinfin would extend its Xinfin platform to Asachem's network of 300 plus trade associations and 450,000 members to minimize inefficiencies in trade and finance. The fact that they're already exposed to this network is really good. You can definitely expect a lot of adoption of this platform. So a little bit about their team. So Jack Zhu, I don't know how to say that last name. I think it's Zhu. Not sure. Sorry if I said it wrong. But he's one of the co-founders. He has a very triumphant background in entrepreneurship. Jack handles the relationship development for Xinfin in more than 6 Asian countries and 4 African countries. As a visionary in the fields of blockchain architecture space, Jack is a part of many associations in the Bitcoin and blockchain domain. A lot of their advisors are super experienced. Peter, right here, is the mastermind behind the ideation and launch of cloud mining SG back in the year 2014, eventually converted into the largest crypto mining firm in the entire southeastern market, mining over 1 million Litecoin tokens. Present value is 50 million in 2017. The company cemented its presence in the global crypto mining industry. At Xinfin, Peter forms the core of the blockchain advisory group pertaining to blockchain architecture. He aims to make Xinfin blockchain a world-class blockchain platform. So their team is backed up by solid people with experience that isn't there just to say you have experience. All of these guys have actually achieved something in the blockchain world. So you can definitely expect really big things from this team. And I personally am looking forward to what they have in stock for us, especially as investors. So finally, about their ICO, it ends on March 15th. They are giving away 3 billion tokens. Their maximum supply is going to be 100 billion, total supply 15. Your minimum purchase is 1.1 ETH and the maximum is 500 ETH, and they only take Ethereum. A little bit about the second token, which I told you guys about before. Xdce, Xinfin has released a swappable token under the ticker Xdce, releasing an ERC20 token as a wide array of benefits for traders, private investors, and institutional level partners. The Xdce token will largely be for traders to compete against other ERC20 tokens across exchange boards, making Xinfin's reach more versatile in the open crypto market and can be swapped with the standard Xdce token. The token will be available and will be tradable on most exchanges. This means traders will reap the benefit of high volume and quick trades through multiple exchanges. Traders, by using the Xdce token, will allow for the Xdce01 token to be used primarily for institutional level partners. Most importantly, this will allow the Xdce token to grow strictly from use cases, all the while keeping traders using Xdce connected and benefiting from the growth of their Xdce01 token. This is really cool how they made 2 tokens, because the utility can be the sole source of the growth for their first token, which is the Xdce token. It's a really cool approach to things. I'm a fan of the project, which is the only reason why I'm showing you guys this. If I don't align with the project, there's no point in me making a video about it and wasting my time and the project's time and your time, more importantly. They've been featured on places like Yahoo Finance, Market Watch, Asacham, of course, BBC News, CNET Japan. So very big names. Definitely getting good exposure, but I feel like they need more. You can join the Telegram group, or you follow them on Twitter or Slack. I'm going to link the website below for you guys if you guys want to check it out and do your own research, because obviously this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest in this ICO. All I'm doing is presenting you with the information to allow you to make your own decisions. That's it. I don't show you guys ICOs that I don't personally back up with my own money. So I invest in ICOs, then I'll approach them to see if they want to partner up. If they say yes, cool. If they say no, I'd still show you the ICO. That's about it. So that being said, if you guys want to talk more about this, you can join my group, Crypto Mafia. We're growing super fast. We talk about everything related to crypto. Also, I have my Telegram group. You can join below. Also, follow me on Instagram. You can message me there personally at Mr. Bala. The link for that will be in the description as well. And let's see if we can try and get this to 5K subscribers. That's going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and I will see you guys soon.